Okay guys, we'll move on to the last topic today. That is our possessive pronoun with third person. Possessive pronoun with third person. That is in English, as we say, his, her, and their. His, her, and their. Now in Portuguese, for the third person, the gender and the number, that is singular or plural, of the possessive pronoun will now depend on the subject and not on the object. This is only for third person. Before I come to this, I want to make it clear that till now we have learned the first person. Again, this one was also first person. And the rest of the two are second person. So this was second person. Both tu and você are second person. This was singular. And then vosso, vossa, this is also second person but plural. So the conclusion is, till now we have learned about first person and second person. But now we are learning third person. So the rules of third person is very different. In third person, the gender of the possessive pronoun will not depend on the object. It will depend on the subject. So here we don't have to break our brain. Here if I say his house is big, then I'll say a casa dele é grande. Now although casa is feminine, we are using a feminine article as well, a casa. But since we are saying his house, यहाँ पे subject male है, जिसका ये घर है वो मेल है, इसलिए तो हम his कह रहे हैं. और इसीलिए यहाँ पे हमारा masculine possessive pronoun यूज हो रहा है, that is dele. A casa dele é grande. तो जो हमारा ऑब्जेक्ट है वो फीमेल होने के बावजूद भी हमारा जो possessive pronoun है वो masculine यूज हो रहा है. That is all because the gender and number of the possessive pronoun will now depend on the subject and not on the object. Let's see more examples. His sister goes to school. A irmã dele vai à escola. A irmã dele. Although irmã is feminine, we are using a feminine article for it, but we are using a masculine possessive pronoun because his sister goes to school. So the subject is masculine. यहाँ पे ऑब्जेक्ट का जेंडर या नंबर मैटर नहीं करता है as long as subject is masculine. So subject is masculine means we'll directly use the masculine possessive pronoun. So what are the possessive pronouns we have in this? So we have dele, dela, delas, delas. तो dele, dela, delis, delas. इनके डायरेक्ट मीनिंग्स हैं. डेली मतलब हिज, जहां पे भी हिज आया उसको हम डेली लिखेंगे. जहां पे भी हर आ गया उसको हम डेला ट्रांसलेट करेंगे. डेलिश और डेलश इन दोनों का मतलब है देयर, उनका या उन सब का. अब कहाँ पे डेलिश यूज होगा, कहाँ पे डेलश यूज होगा, दिस वी विल एक्सप्लोर इन डिटेल. So now let us look at Delhi Dela. If I say his mother cooks really well, a mãe dele cozinha muito bem. Another thing you have to notice here, the possessive pronoun actually appears after the subject. Till now, we were seeing the possessive pronoun come before the subject, like nossa casa. We were not saying casa nossa, like minhas amigas. We cannot say amigas minhas, but we cannot say dele mine. We have to say my dele. So here the possessive pronouns of the third person actually come after the object. Os amigos dela vêm à festa, vêm ao Natal. Here the vem will come with the accent. Um momento, por favor. So her friends, although the object is plural here, os amigos, friends. But for the word her, we are using dela. So we are using the singular feminine possessive pronoun, and it is coming after the object. Os amigos dela vêm ao Natal. Her family lives in Bihar. A família dela. A família dela mora em Bihar. If I say his family lives in Bihar, then also remains the same. His family lives in Bihar. So in this also we are starting the sentence with a familia, but Delhi, Mora, and Bihar. So everything remains the same, but the possessive pronouns that we are using is according to the subject of the sentence. Where we are using his in English, directly we are translating it into Delhi in Portuguese. And where we are using her in Portuguese, we are using dela. Now, if I say their parents are nice, तो say पुष्पाइश डेलिश डेलिश क्योंकि अब हमने देयर यूज कर लिया okay? उनके पेरेंट्स we are talking about multiple people. So Spaish, Delish, são gentis. They're nice. Okay. But here if I say os pais delas são gentis, that also means their parents are nice. Okay, but here the word their includes only female participants. For example, you're talking to two sisters and you're saying their parents are nice. You're talking about two sisters, both of them are female, and then you're saying their parents are nice. So you can see that both the people in the group are female. So it's a completely female group. Only in that case we can use the word delas. So this is your concept of deli dela and delish delish. So we have 1 minute of time, guys. Let's have one sentence with any one of these words. You can use deli or dela, delish or delish. This is a very easy one because we are directly translating from English.